Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Use this command to download the Signal desktop application public signal-k from its official website. Next, run the following command to append the contents of signal-desktop-keyring.gpg file to the system. Next, run the following command to add official repository of signals to the system software source list. The next step is to update the packages. Once packages are updated, run the following command to install the Signal desktop into your Ubuntu system. Next, you need to go into your desktop and find the signal there. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.